Megs, get on that big tree right there, okay? And I'm gonna get on the one in front of you. Go.
De la misma distancia yo en el usted le acabo de pegar y no me movió. Y ahí está el cono, toquen el cono, ahí está. Tóquenlo, ya estuvo, Julio, tóquenlo, dale eso.
He's laying behind a tree. JP, creep out behind your tree and get this guy. I see him. We can't get him. Yeah, we're gonna retreat after this. Hit.
Go up the hill more. Go up the hill.
Yeah, go up the hill so you don't die.
Howdy y'all, how you doing?
I don't know, dude. It's impossible. You gotta get like one loaned.
Look. Then I'll call him, look. Okay. Look. They got hit. Then I'll call. See? That's what's pissing me off. See? So see, look. Now they start running back. And then I'll call. That's bullshit. Now better don't you start going that way and start shooting everybody.
JP, make sure you look over there and talk.
Yeah, keep watching left.
Yeah, something that way.
Got him.
Nice.
Good job. Matthew, come here. Matthew, come here.
Did you get him, Max? That guy that just went left?
They're coming, they're gonna look around. They're coming too.
Don't stay into the cover or into the open too long. That was a good shot, dude. Ah. If they're shooting at us, I think they're enemy, dude.
I couldn't tell if he's shooting at us. He's still, that guy behind that tree is still looking
But
at us.
Choke me.
who cares? As long as we keep them down and get them maybe to retreat a little bit. Dude, if we did exactly what they did to us and just shock them all coming from like that side, get at least like 2 out and get the rest of the fall back.
Yeah.
Look, we're all stuck up here. It's terrible. I think your guy behind the tree's back up.
I know. Is it?
I don't know. Sweet.
Got him.
Alright.
Come on, Megan.
Megan! Come on. Trigger happy. Get over here. Okay.
You get one, JP? Definitely not.
There's some walking to him. You see him?
The people straight
Tree right there. Straight in front of me.
The one that just walked away?
No, he's behind the tree.
Point, what are you talking about?
That tree, straight in front of me, that big one, kinda, it's right there. You see that guy that just ran back there? There's 2 people behind that tree.
Okay, we'll get out of the open. How's it going, bro?
Huh?
So how's it going? Are those enemies down there?
Down there?
Or those friendlies?
I don't know.
They're friendlies.
Maybe we should cover.
Yeah, we should. Cover him.